We'll now move on to definite article. The is the definite article. It is one of the most common words in English and it is our only definite article. For example, the thief has run away. The teacher told me to wait. So why do we use the here? Because you specifically know about which teacher and which thief you are talking about or you are referring to. Now let's see, where do we use definite article the? We use it in front of a noun when we believe the reader knows exactly what we are referring to. For example, I met the man you had known last year. So you particularly are mentioning about the that man that your friend met last year. The second scenario is because there is only one. When there is only one, you use the definite article the. The moon is very bright tonight. So there is only one moon for the planet Earth, isn't it? So you use the moon. Same way, the third case is with a superlative adjective. What are superlative adjectives? Superlative adjectives, degrees of comparison, you would have learned positive, comparative, superlative, and therefore you use the with the superlative adjective. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Tall is the positive, taller comparative, and tallest is the superlative. So he is the tallest boy in the class. The always goes with the superlative adjective. Next scenario is where there is only one in that context. For example, it might be a common noun that you're using. Dad, can I borrow the car? Which car are you talking about? You know very specifically the car that belongs to your family that you're referring to. So that case you use the car. Look at the boy over there. So you're pointing out at some specific boy and that is why you're using the boy. The next case where we use the definite article is when we have already mentioned it once. For example, a young man got a nasty shock when he tried to rob a jewelry shop in Richmond. The man used a heavy hammer to smash the windows in the shop. So the first time when you refer to the man, you use a young man because you don't know who is it and therefore you say you use an indefinite article. But the second time you use the word noun man, you know very specifically that you're talking about that man who tried to rob a jewelry shop. So you use definite article the. To say something about all the things referred to by a noun. Look at the scenario here. The kangaroo is found only in Australia. When you say the kangaroo, you're talking about a group. All the kangaroos which are found in Australia. Same way, the heart pumps blood around the body. For everyone, it's the same case, isn't it? So for everyone, the heart pumps blood around the body. So you refer to a group here. We use the definite article to talk about sometimes about some musical instruments. For example, Joe plays the piano really well. The piano. She is learning the guitar. We do not use the before the names of all the countries, except for countries which are made up of smaller units or constituent parts like the UK, United Kingdom, the USA, the United States of America, the Irish Republic, or plural, the names of countries which appear as plural nouns. For example, the Philippines. Okay. Okay. Now let's see where we shouldn't use the articles, which are the places where you shouldn't use articles. We usually use no article to talk about things in general. For example, milk is good for you. You don't say a milk is good for you or an milk or the milk. So you don't use articles. We do not use an article when talking about sports and games. Let's go and play basketball. You don't say let's go and play a basketball or the basketball. It is not required. Same way, badminton is an indoor game. You don't say the badminton is an indoor game. We don't use articles before the name of languages. Example, we are learning English. You don't say we are learning the English, the mathematics and so on. Also, do not use article before the names of railway stations when they are also place names. Otherwise, you can use the or any other article as required. But if it begins with the names of any place, then you do not use the article. Do not use article before the names of meals, for example, breakfast, dinner, lunch. They invited some friends to dinner. You don't say they invited some friends to the dinner or a dinner. Understood, students? So students, you have learned what are articles under determiners in this session. So this is an assignment for you. Read through the sentences carefully and try to fill in with the correct articles in it. There would be another worksheet given to you tomorrow. Thank you, students.